Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here today to show you our 2016 Ford F350. This is a crew cab, long bed, four-wheel drive Lariat. It's absolutely beautiful. It's bronze fire metallic is the color. It's a little overcast right now, so it's kind of hard to see, but when the sun is shining on this truck, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. Rear park assist, factory tow package, backup camera. The truck's got a spray-in bed liner. The bed's in beautiful shape. Does have a toolbox, power sliding rear window. This truck is like brand new. I put about 1,000 miles on this truck personally. It runs flawlessly. The exterior is, I mean, it's almost mint condition. It's beautiful. No dings, maybe a couple small, very minor rock chips, no scratches. Just gorgeous. Got an Aries front brush guard or push bumper, whatever you'd like to call it. Fog lights, cab lights, power extend and fold tow mirrors, chrome running boards, factory 20-inch wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of this truck. This is a Lariat, so it's fully loaded. You've got the black interior, power windows, power door locks, power extend and fold mirrors, memory driver's seat, Sony Stereo, beautiful black perforated leather, power seats on both sides, bucket seats here in the front. The interior is like new condition. This is just a super nice truck, very clean. Get a tilt wheel, adjustable foot pedals, got all your steering wheel controls. This side's for your audio and Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel. This truck has 89,183 miles. There's no lights on. Navigation, again, backup camera. It's pointing at the bumper because the tailgate's open. There's all your audio and climate controls, hill descend, traction control, four-wheel drive switch. You can pull this out, gives you a posi locking rear differential, factory exhaust brake, factory tow package, all your upfitter switches, a 110 outlet here in the front. You also have one in the back. Again, this truck, just a little emblem there just tells you the truck does have sync, so it does have Bluetooth. You've got audio video inputs, an SD card reader, that's for your navigation maps, 2 USB inputs, and on the other side right here you do have a 12-volt charger. In your overhead you do have 2 sunglass compartments, as well as your power sliding rear window switch. All the door panels are in beautiful shape. Rear seats look excellent. They honestly don't even look like they've had much seat time. They are beautiful. The rear seats do flip up. You've got these nice rubber trays here, storage underneath your seat. The passenger side's got the factory subwoofer. You've got a 12-volt outlet down here as well, and it is lockable with your key. Now this is going to be the worst thing of the whole vehicle, and this is really nothing. I think I can go back and have my detailers get this stuff cleaned up. You just got a couple of marks here. Honestly, I think I can get that cleaned up. But here's your 110 outlet for your passengers, your 12-volt outlet for your passengers, and 2 HVAC vents. Here's another look at your dash. All the wheels are in beautiful shape. They are a 20-inch wheel. You have Michelin tires. These are a 275/65/20. So this is what the truck would have called for from the factory. Now you do have a little bit of life left. You can probably run these all summer, fall, and then replace them in the winter. But take a look at the frame. Beautiful, no rust, and the truck is all stock. There are no odors in the interior. This truck is a non-smoker. The headliner is in perfect shape. Now the front passenger seat again is power. It's heated. It has AC. It's in beautiful shape. The dash is in beautiful shape. Now they did put these inlays here in the dashboard and in the rear tailgate. Just dresses the truck up. We've got all the books. We've got everything there in the glove box. The truck does have nice WeatherTech all season mats. 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. This truck makes 440 horsepower, 860 foot-pounds of torque. It is 100% stock, which means the truck still has remaining factory warranty. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, or really any 3/4 ton or 1 ton truck, I've got a lot in stock. I've got about 60 vehicles in inventory. You can give me a call directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing, I take trades, and if you're out of state, I have nationwide shipping. Thank you.